Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy egg bhurji, only way. Start by heating oil, tempering spices, and sautéing onions until translucent. Add tomatoes, simmer until thick, then fold in beaten eggs gently and cook until just set. Finish with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lemon, and adjust seasoning to taste. I will guide you through timing and heat control so your bhurji stays silky and flavorful every time. Gather ingredients before you start to streamline cooking and avoid overcooking the eggs. Dice onions and tomatoes uniformly so they cook evenly and release sweet flavor. Whisk eggs with a little water to create a light texture when added to the gravy. Keep spices measured and ready to add at the correct stages to build depth. This preparation makes the actual cooking quick and stress-free, giving consistent results. Start with medium heat to bloom spices without burning, then sweat onions until soft and fragrant. Add ginger garlic paste and chopped tomatoes, cooking until oil separates and the gravy is thick. Lower heat before adding eggs to prevent rubbery texture. Stir gently and remove from heat when curds are soft. Finish with garam masala and chopped cilantro, then rest briefly so flavors meld. This creates a silky, saucy egg.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.